Hello guys, today I'm gonna fix this tablet Samsung. This is Samsung SM-P205. It has a problem with the touchscreen digitizer. I cannot move, sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. And it's only working with the Stylus Pen. So I'm gonna try to fix this with this lighter. Yes, this lighter. So sometimes I need to press the edge of the screen to make it working. It's now working. It's not working again. It's working now. Okay, if you can still access your screen with finger, just go to contact. Yes, I still can access my screen with my finger. Otherwise, you can always use this stylus pen. So right now, I'm gonna type with my finger. Just type *#0*#. It will entering into the setting screen and choose the touch setting. Here you can see the testing screen with the good one. It will show with the green color. As you can see, we have a loss sensor in the middle here. As you can see, when I'm drawing, it will make this column in the middle. Here you can see there are not working pixels here. All in the middle, you can see there are not working a pixel here. Up and down is okay. Just press the up volume to back to the menu, and I'm gonna repair this. I'm gonna try to repair this with my lighter. So another thing is I already checked this tablet. I already opened the tablet and checked all the cable connectivity. I unplug and re-unplug the flexible cable and everything is okay. But I think this tablet has problem with the digitizer. There are some short, or maybe we need to resoldering the chip joint, the chip connector joint. So I'm gonna try this method anyway. Use this lighter. Okay, let's enter the setting menu. *#0*#. Touch. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, let's do that again. Now it's working. See, the middle pixel is working now. Okay, that's it. I solved this screen problem. The dead pixel in the middle with this lighter trigger. I don't know what its name. Okay, my screen is fixed now. See, this is my son's hands playing with the screen. Okay. Actually, this thing's working for my tablet. Subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. And feel free to comment below. See you in my next video. Terima kasih. See you. Bye-bye.